Welcome to the online video lecture series. In this video, I am going to explain partial differential equations. So let z is equals to f of xy be a function of two independent variables x and y. So what are partial derivatives? So the partial derivative of z with respect to x is obtained by differentiating z with respect to x by treating y as constant, and it is denoted by dou z by dou x. Similarly, the partial derivative of z with respect to y is obtained by differentiating z with respect to y by treating x as constant, and it is denoted by dou z by dou y. Now, what is a partial differential equation means? An equation involving one or more partial derivatives of a function involving two or more independent variables is called partial differential equation. So now we'll see what are the order of the partial derivatives. So first order partial derivatives. Dou z by dou x is denoted by p. Dou z by dou y is denoted by q. And similarly, second order partial derivatives means the dou square z by dou x square is denoted by r, and dou square z by dou y square is denoted by t. And there is a mixed partial derivative, that is dou square z by dou x dou y, and it is denoted by s. So we know that dou square z by dou x dou y is same as dou square z by dou x. So this is about what is a partial differential equation and what are the different orders of the partial derivatives. Now we'll see how to form a partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So let z is equals to x plus a into y plus b be the given function. In this function, a and b are constants. Now we have to form a differential equation by eliminating these two constants. So differentiate z partially with respect to x. So when we differentiate partially with respect to x, we will treat y as constant. B is already a constant, so this term will be constant. We'll write as it is, and we'll differentiate x. X derivative is 1 and derivative of a will be 0. So therefore p is equals to y plus b. Similarly, now you differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. So when we differentiate with respect to y, x will be a constant. X is a constant. A is already a constant, so you write as it is. Therefore, dou z by dou y is equals to x plus a into y derivative is 1 and b derivative will be 0. So therefore, q is equals to x plus a. So now we have differentiated the given function with respect to y, with respect to x and y. So now we will substitute these two, that is y plus b in this equation and x plus a in the given function. So that z is equals to x plus a into y plus b. Y plus b is p and x plus a is q. Therefore, z is equals to pq. Be the given differential. B will be the differential equation corresponding to the given function. So now we'll take another example. Form the partial differential equation if 2z is equals to x square by a square plus y square by b square. In this function, a square and b square are the constants. Now we have to form an equation so that we have to eliminate these two constants also. That is, differentiate the given equation with respect to x. 2 into z. Z derivative will be dou z by dou x. X square derivative is 2x by a square. Since y is constant, so the derivative will be 0. So dou z by dou x is denoted by p. 2 gets cancelled, that is equals to x square. So now we will differentiate same equation 1 with respect to y. So that is 2 into dou z by dou y. So x square by a square derivative will be 0 plus y square derivative is 2y by b square. Now 2 gets cancelled. Dou z by dou y is y by b square. Now we'll substitute, now by using these two equations, we'll eliminate the function. That is, you multiply multiply equation 2 by x so that it becomes x square by a square, multiply equation 3 by y so that it becomes y square by b square. That is equation 2 into x plus equation 3 into y. Px plus qy is equals to, p means x by a square into x, q means y by b square into y. So x square by a square plus y square by b square, which is nothing but 2z from the given function. Now I'll take the another example. Form the PDE ax square plus by square plus z square is equals to 1. Differentiate the equation 1 partially with respect to x. So when you differentiate with respect to x, treat y as constant. So a x square derivative is 2x, b is constant. Now we are treating y as constant, so its derivative will be 0. Z square derivative 2z into dou z by dou x, right hand side 1, derivative will be 0. 2 gets cancelled, ax plus z, and this is p, or you can write this as ax is equals to minus zp, or a is equals to minus z by x into p. Similarly, now we'll differentiate this equation 1 with partially with respect to y. So when you differentiate with respect to y, x will be a constant. So first term derivative will be 0. Y square derivative 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y, right hand side 1 derivative will be 0. So now again 2 gets cancelled. By plus zq. Q is dou z by dou y. Or you can write by is equals to minus zq, or b is equals to minus zq by y. So now we'll substitute this equation 2 and equation 3 in the given equation. That is, we'll replace a and b. So that is, you can see here, ax square plus by square plus z square is equals to 1. We know the a value, that is minus z by x, b value minus z by y, minus z by y into q y square plus z square is equals to 1. Here x gets cancelled, minus zpx minus zqy plus z square is equals to 1. If you take minus z common, this will be px plus qy, and you take this z square to the right hand side. So it becomes 1 minus z square. So you multiply this equation by minus 1. Minus gets cancelled, it becomes z into px plus qy. Instead of 1 minus z square, you write z minus z square minus 1. This is the partial differential equation corresponding to the given function ax square plus by square plus z square is equals to 1. Now we'll take another example. Form the PDE if z is equals to a into log x square plus y square plus b. Here the constants are a and b. Now we have to eliminate these two and we have to form a differential equation. So again differentiate with respect to x, z derivative dou z by dou x, a is a constant, log x square plus y square derivative 1 by x square plus x square derivative 2x, y square derivative is 0, and derivative of b will be 1. So this is dou z by dou x is p, and here it becomes 2ax by x square plus y square. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So now this will differentiate with respect to y. That is, dou z by dou y is equals to a into 1 by x square plus y square. X square derivative will be 0, y square derivative is 2y, and derivative of b will be 0. Dou z by dou y is q equals, here you can write the numerator as 2ay by x square plus x square plus y square. Now you can see here equation 2 and equation 3. In this also we have a, here also we have an a constant a. So how to eliminate the constant between these two? We can divide equation 2 by 3. It is p by q is equals to 2ax by x square plus y square, and the one 2ay by x square plus y square. Here 2a gets cancelled and x square plus y square also gets cancelled. So what we'll get, p by q is equals to x by y. Or you can cross multiply it, py is equals to qx, or py minus qx is equals to 0. So therefore, this is the partial differential equation corresponding to the given function. So we'll take another example. Form the PDE if z is equals to xy plus y into square root of x square plus y square plus b. So here the constants are a square and b. Again, how to eliminate the constant? That is, we'll differentiate this with respect to x. That is the dou z by dou x derivative is 1, y as it is, plus y is a constant, root of x square minus a square derivative 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square, x square derivative is 2x, a square derivative will be 0. 2 gets cancelled, so what you will get xy by square root of x square minus a square. You take this y to the left hand side, it becomes p minus y is equals to xy by square root of x square minus a square. So now again, now we'll differentiate this with respect to y. When you differentiate with respect to y, we'll treat this x as constant and this root is also constant. So therefore, dou z by dou y, x into y derivative is 1 plus y derivative is 1 into square root of x square minus a square. Now dou z by dou y is q equals x plus square root of x square minus a square. Take x to the left hand side, that is q minus x is equals to square root of x square minus a square. Now using these two equations, that is equation 2 and equation 3, we have to eliminate this. That is what we can do. We can substitute the square root of x square minus a square equals q minus x in this equation. That is, you can observe this. P minus y is this, and q minus y is equals to square root of x square minus a square. Just replace it. Instead of this, write q minus x, and then cross multiply it. Pq minus px minus qy minus y into minus x will be plus xy equals xy. Xy gets cancelled. So what you will get px, pq minus px minus qy is equals to 0, or pq is equals to px plus qy. So this is how we will eliminate the, or sorry, we will form the partial differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constants. That is, you have to differentiate the given function partially with respect to x and y, and by using those derivatives, you have and the given equation, you have to eliminate the constants, and you have to form a partial